The government has maintained a firm grip on the war on terror and crime with the Operation Usalama Watch, which was launched last month, taking a new direction, that of going door to door.
So how proceed?
The operation, aimed at rooting out aliens and illegal immigrants, has spread across the country, with residents of South Sea area of Nairobi becoming the latest casualties. For the second night in a row, police officers patrolled the neighborhood frequented by citizens of different nationalities. The night was not without its fair share of drama. As police sought to get identification from these Kenyans of Somali origin. Not even those who jetted into the country were spared.
Journalist, right? Just taking something which is not even.
The operation has seen the arrest of hundreds of aliens and illegal immigrants and the deportation of more than 80 people to Somalia and other countries. Hassan Mugambi, K24 Newscast.